Good afternoon. This is Ricky from the front desk. How may I assist you, Mr. De La Cruz?
Good afternoon. There is work is extremely hard. May this fix now? Or I want a new room. This is unacceptable.
I'm truly sorry to hear that, Mr. De La Cruz. I completely understand how frustrating this must be, especially at this hour. Let me assure you will take immediate action to resolve this. There are two options I can offer right now. I can immediately send our maintenance staff to your room to inspect and repair the air conditioner. Alternatively, I can arrange a room transfer for you right away. If you prefer not to wait, may I know which option you'd prefer?
I want a new room. I'm too tired to wait.
Understood, sir. I'll arrange a room transfer for you right now. We have a deluxe room available on the same floor. I'll have a staff member assist you with your things within the next 5 minutes. May I confirm you're in room 509?
That's correct.
Thank you. I also inform our maintenance team to check and fix the issue right away. I'll call you once everything is ready so you don't have to wait in the halfway. Please accept our sincere apologies for the inconvenience this has caused. Good evening, Mr. De La Cruz. Your new room is 512 is ready. Our bellman is on the way to assist with your transfer now. Is there anything else I can prepare for you in your new room, like extra water or pillows?
Extra water would be great. Thank you.
Absolutely. I've added a complimentary set of bottled water to your new room. Once you're settled, I'll give you a quick call to make sure everything is to your satisfaction. Good evening again, Mr. De La Cruz. I just wanted to check in. Have you settled in comfortably in your new room? Is everything working well now?
Yes, everything's fine now. Thanks for the quick response.
I'm very glad to hear that, sir, again. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience earlier. If there's anything else you need, please don't hesitate to call in the front desk anytime. Have a restful night.